If you spend months watching Grasshopper tutorials but still freeze when you open a blank file, this is for you. Grasshopper isn't a tool problem, it's a thinking problem. I've been teaching computational design at the university level for almost 10 years. It's not a video course. It's a challenge-based system where you learn Grasshopper by solving real-life problems. This challenge is not about making you faster at Grasshopper. It's about making Grasshopper make sense. By the end of this course, you don't just understand the program, you produce portfolio-ready work, which will prepare you for your job applications. If you want to stop copying tutorials and start thinking clearly in Grasshopper, you can start free below with the 2-day challenge. I'll see you inside.